If you're still using toxic, slimy, store-bought detergent, then you need to hear this. Hey guys, Maria here. As a hardworking mom, I'm juggling 20 things at once every day while trying to keep my family happy and healthy. And thanks to Truly Free's laundry wash, I have one less thing to worry about. After I found out how incredibly toxic store-bought detergents were, I immediately made the switch to non-toxic laundry wash from Truly Free. And now I feel great after every wash knowing that I'm not putting my family at risk of irritated skin or exposure to toxic chemicals. Here's the thing, guys. We've been getting tricked by the detergent industry for decades. These slimy detergents contain some really toxic chemicals like formaldehyde, chlorine, ammonia, and believe me, guys, they do not want you to know about it. Even if you don't see those chemicals on the label, they're likely hidden in that mysterious fragrance ingredient. These chemicals also have been found in dozens of scentless detergents and even the green natural detergents too. I honestly didn't know who to trust anymore and was sick of being lied to. I just wanted the best for my family, so I am beyond relieved that I have found Truly Free's non-toxic laundry wash. It uses a plant-based formula and a special quadrosol technology to deep clean clothes without detergent gooping or clogging up your clothes and fibers and seeping into your family's skin. That means that your clothes last longer, feel lighter, and won't ever be the blame for irritated, itchy skin. I also love how the laundry wash is safer for my washer and it doesn't clog it up with a goopy, slimy detergent gunk. A repair bill is the last thing I need right now. And don't even get me started on how good this stuff makes your clothes smell. Sometimes I just do a load of laundry for a little aromatherapy. And as an added bonus, Truly Free also ships recycle refill pouches directly to my door every month, so I never run out and I never have to drive all the way to the store and lug huge heavy jugs of toxic goop ever again. Plus, I love the environment, and in my home we recycle and reuse everything we can. That's why I love Truly Free's Refillable Forever jug. I can quickly and easily refill it using these fun little pouches they send me, and so I'm not constantly cramming big plastic bottles into my recycle bin and hoping that they don't end up in the ocean. It's honestly a huge relief that makes me feel great after every wash. Guys, if you want a safer, cleaner laundry soap that's tough on dirt and stains, but also leaves your clothes soft, fresh, and free of toxic chemicals, then this is the absolute best choice you can make for your family, believe me. Immediately after using it, my clothes smelled better, they feel lighter and cleaner, and my family hasn't complained about itchy, irritated skin ever since. It's a fast and easy switch you can make right now to protect your family, prevent costly repair bills, help save the environment, and help save you trips to the store. Now, every time I look at those big neon store-bought detergent, it feels like I'm looking at a pack of cigarettes. I'm so glad I finally quit and made the right choice for my family. I made the switch and you can too. Click below to get your free, Truly Free non-toxic laundry wash today.